This boat that came in, the owner stated it was taking on some water, and as he was backing in, I noted the classic streaks coming out from where the bolts that hold the bottom motor bracket onto the boat. Shows that liquid's been leaking out of there. And so if it's been leaking out of there down the hull right there, it's apparent that it had to come from somewhere, and it comes from when the boat's in the water. The water line's about right here. So water enters the transom, and then as you pull it out of the water, it oozes back out. So what we did was went ahead and removed his motor and rebedded all that and tightened it back down because they were loose. He had about a 1/16 of an inch play where you could move the motor back and forth between the transom and the motor, and that's just because the transom had gotten thinner because there wasn't any wood in it. The bottom drain plug was also leaking, and so there wasn't any way to hold the drain plug in because there wasn't anything behind there. It was just hollow, and so the screws wouldn't stay in. So what we actually did was packed the complete hole with stranded fiberglass. So now we'll have something to screw the 3 screws that holds his drain plug in, and so it shouldn't leak from there either. So this is just a measure to try to make it last a little longer. The transom has some pretty good age on it, as noted from there wasn't any wood at all down there on the lower part of his boat. So we'll put his drain plug back in, we'll be done.